Never you in your life trust any woman who love these two sex position. Yes, what do I say? Never you accept to marry any woman that requires these types of sex position. So if you want to know the position, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the things you need to know from a woman before you get married to her. If she requires this type of position during love making, my brother, run away. That girl or that lady is a bad girl. She is a professional and she has flirted a lot. That is why she requires this type of sex position. And this entails that even if you marry her, she will still look for people that will treat her the way she wants. But before I proceed on this video, I want to say that you are most welcome to this channel. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men, both dating and relationship advice for men. So if a video like this you like it, please join us by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, it will notify you of my new upload. So if a woman you are dating is asking for this position, this means that she has done this severally. She has flirted for many years or many months. She is a professional, because a new girl or someone who started anew on something will be a novice and she will always experience pain in this aspect. But if a woman requires this position, maybe both of you get to know each other, and when both of you go to bed, she asks for these two positions. My brother, bear in mind that you are not the first, you are not the second, you are not even the 10th, talk more of the 20th. And that is why she knows this position and she can endure the pains from this position. And that is the reason why she requires it from you. So what are the positions? There are many positions. A good lady, a responsible lady can never ask of different positions. You know the one, which that one is the normal position. But any woman that requires many positions, be rest assured that you are not the first, second, third. So the positions are many. So I want to share only but two. Number one is doggy. Yes, what is doggy? Doggy is when she bend, a man will come behind. That is a very bad position. This allows a deep penetration, and this will make it to be painful to any woman. So any woman that asks this, that means she has done it severally and there is no pain in her. If you eventually get married to her and you don't do this in the rightful way, be rest assured that she will cheat on you. So any woman asking this position is a badu. So run for your life and look for a decent, responsible lady to get married to. Number two is wheelbarrow position. What is a wheelbarrow position? Wheelbarrow position is when she lies flat on the floor or on the bed and raise her leg up. A man will still come from behind and hit. This also allows a deep penetration, and a novice can never endure the pain, but a professional will endure the pain. And any woman that requires this position or asks for this position is a professional. A professional is someone who do something often and often and often for years. That makes him or her a professional. So if a woman requires this position, it means that she has done it often and often, often and often. That is why she can endure the pain and she loves the style. That is why she requires it from you. So my brother, bear in mind that that lady is a badu. She has flirted and she is a professional. If you don't do your job very well, maybe both of you get married, be rest assured that she will definitely cheat. But my utmost advice is, if you get encounter with such a woman and you love her, both of you love each other, give her advice. By the grace of God, she will stick and forget those positions and be contented with the one you can afford. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that this video is of great value. Please support us by hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will get notified of my new upload. See you in my next video. I wish you the best. Bye.